Hello, welcome back to my channel. This time we will write a simple program that includes a more complex arithmetical formula. We will compute the value of a third-order polynomial. We will practice using numeric variables of different types, and we will start using more advanced mathematical formula in our programs. The first line of the program reads the input and converts it to integer. In the next line, we compute the polynomial function. Please note that double asterisk stands for power of a number. I add a comment. Now we will output the result. So I will use a variable with the string template that I will format to insert the value of the function. Let's put the template on the top of the program. So I'll copy the function from the description in the beginning, and I'm ready to test the program. Let's test it with a few values, including a negative value. You may check on your calculator whether these values are correct. If you like these videos and you want to watch more content, please don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe.